Good morning. It's morning here. This is Sherry Hayes with MomDelights.com, and I just thought I'd take the opportunity this morning to show you how I'm going to do some DIY convenience foods. You see, at this time in my life, I have a lot of young people with weird schedules, so we don't always have family meals together, especially in the mornings. So what I'm trying to do is make a nutritional alternative to something you'd buy in a grocery store. And I'm gonna make French toast sticks, which, you know, I've looked on the ingredient labels, and there's actually, I don't think there's any egg in those at all that you buy at the store. So I'm gonna make some with egg and with some good nutrition. So come along, just watch me. So here's the finished product. Now, one thing I hope you notice is that I don't measure anything, so I can't really tell you exactly the amounts that I put in. I used egg, milk, vanilla, sugar, and cinnamon, basically, and it just depends on what kind of a consistency you want at the end. If I had used less milk, it probably wouldn't have been as soggy. One thing I wanted to mention is that French toast, especially if you're using thick, kind of white, soft bread, it doesn't cook all the way through. You have to reheat them in order to kill the salmonella. So but I'm going to take these and put these in freezer bags, and so they're going to have to be reheated anyway. So it won't be a problem. Just make sure that when you do French toast, that after you fry it, you actually heat it to a high temperature to kill salmonella, whether it's in the oven or in the microwave. If I'm making a big batch for a morning and I'm feeding everyone at once, then what I will do is, as I'm frying the French toast, I will have a pan in the oven at about 300 degrees so that they continue to be warm and cook as I go along. So there's just another tip is if you're trying to feed a crowd, which is our family every day. All right. Well, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.